Hello, in this video, we show how to test two categorical variables for their independence in R. So we show two functions, a table function which can be used to show the contingency counts or contingency tables between two variables, and after we have used table function, then we can use a summary function for wrapping this table function. Then the test of independence will be shown with the p-values. So next we go to RStudio. We load a library called VCD because we will use this dataset called rdat, and we show the first 6 observations of this dataset. You can see the ID, treatment, sex, age, and improved. And we can also show the details of this data frame using str function. So there are 84 observations with 5 variables, and we are focusing on treatment and improved. Both are factor variables. Improved is the ordered effect with 3 levels. Treatment has 2 levels for the placebo and treated. Then we use table function. So the contingency table between treatment and improved, the corresponding counts, the total 84. So now we use summary function, which is wrapping the table function. So the result of the test actually is a chi-square test is shown. You can see the degrees of freedom is true because the contingency table has 3 column true rows. So the test of independence has degrees of freedom, which is the multiplication of the row number minus 1 times the column number minus 1. So the result is 2 degrees of freedom. So if these 2 variables are independent, then this test statistic called chi-square test statistic from this contingency table will follow a chi-square distribution with 2 degrees of freedom. So follow this null hypothesis that these 2 variables are independent, then we get the p-values 0.001. So actually this is a very small p-value and significantly smaller than the margin p-value 0.05. So which means we get a very unlikely occurred event from the data if this is independent between these 2 variables. So we can have about 98% of the confidence to reject this null hypothesis that the 2 categorical variables are independent from our data. Thanks for watching.